Halo guys, selamat datang kembali di channel Master Vin 88 dengan gua Resta sebagai host kalian. Dan di video kali ini gua akan membawakan sebuah segmen, yaitu Ringside First Play, dimana gua akan memperlihatkan kalian gameplay pertama gua dalam game yang baru saja dirilis di tanggal 21 Februari kemarin, yaitu Atomic Heart. Dimana game ini sendiri pun merupakan game yang bergenre FPS dengan berlatar atau bertempat di dunia alternatif, yang dimana dunia alternatif ini itu memberikan kita teori apabila Uni Soviet ini pun masih bertahan hingga sekarang dan mereka ini pun menjadi negara yang paling maju dalam segi sains, sehingga kita dalam game itu pun melihat bagaimana teknologi-teknologi futuristik dari versi Uni Soviet. Dan game ini sendiri pun dikembangkan ya atau dibuat oleh developer yang bernama Mantle dan juga dipublish oleh Focus Entertainment gitu. Dimana project ini pun ya atau game Atomic Heart ini pun menjadi project perdana daripada Mantle ya yang dirilis oleh Mantle ini. Dan sedangkan untuk Focus Entertainment ini pun bisa kalian kenal sebagai publisher yang merilis game seperti Plague Tale series dan juga Death Rally 2 ya sebelum diambil alih oleh EA. Dan untuk game daripada Atomic Heart ini sendiri yang sekarang gua mainkan ini pun gua mainkan melalui platform PC ya, atau lebih tepatnya ini melalui Xbox Game Pass, karena untuk game Atomic Heart ini sendiri pun kalian bisa mainkan di Game Pass sejak game ini rilis gitu. Dan selain di Game Pass ya, untuk di PC ini pun kalian bisa akses melalui Steam, yang dimana harganya itu kurang lebih untuk yang standard editionnya di harga Rp509.000 gitu. So, biar tidak panjang lebar lagi, kita saksikan saja bagaimana gua pertama kali memainkan game daripada Atomic Heart ini sendiri, dimana kalian akan bisa melihat adanya beberapa elemen yang lekat dari game FPS populer yang sudah rilis. So, biar tidak panjang lebar lagi, let's go to the gameplay. Of course, you still have to fight. Oke, ya ini model-modelannya mirip-mirip makanya kayak Wolfenstein. Tapi kalau Wolfenstein ada satu lagi level yang dimana paling yang very hardnya ya. Ada yang very hard, ada yang very hardnya, yang dimana lu harus namatin dulu yang very hard kalau nggak salah, baru bisa lu buka itu. Oke. Sorry ya. Tapi yang ini bukanlah hal yang bisa lu hindari gitu. Lu untuk Atomic Heart ini gua nggak bisa menyampingkan Wolfenstein gitu ya, karena ini kali lagi gua bilang ini sama mirip banget.
Good vibes.
The Chelomey complex was built from the ground up to be the ideal comfortable workplace.
Kenapa tiba-tiba kita ada di kanal?
Been here before.
Ada AI kah yang nemenin kita? Anjir. Kok ngeri ya, keluar tentakel kecil gitu dari tangannya. Ini kita bisa belok nggak? Oke, jadi kayak kita di Chelomey City ya. Oh, ada ini after 1950. Ini kotanya katanya dibikin di tahun 1950. Iya ini makanya ini ceritanya adalah jika Uni Soviet ini masih bertahan sampai sekarang, dan pokoknya apa yang terjadi setelah Perang Dunia II itu masih miliknya Soviet gitu ya, termasuk si Jerman Timur gitu kan.
Would you care for some more soda, comrade?
Oh, boleh. Di mana saya ambilnya? Oh, sure.
Sure, thanks.
Pakai angka, cok. Yuk, kita minum. Kecil ya teksnya. Coba kita lihat display. Nggak ada. Nggak ada apa namanya, dialog, gameplay, difficulty, art ini tapi nggak ada lo untuk setting berapa size daripada teksnya ya.
Looks like another bot got stuck in a tree.
Karena menurut
That
gue
always
ini
cracks me up.
lumayan kecil sih. Nggak tahu ya kalau buat kalian ini
Still working
kecilan
on the
atau enggak
robot's
gitu.
navigation system.
Yeah, I noticed. Wow, what a beautiful day.
Bagus ya. Ini jadi ngingetin gua kayak macam World Expo kayak gitu nggak sih?
What's up with your Vovas bots, Andre? They're going haywire. What the hell did you do to them?
Dan desainnya ini banyak spiral-spiralnya ya. Baling-baling kayak gitunya tuh berspiral-spiral tuh.
Give me your control code.
Dari
I'll
gear,
set 'em
dari
straight.
itunya juga.
Hold Piggy, sweetie.
Oh,
Pada
thanks,
guys, ya.
Mum. The code's 0451.
Okay then. Get to work, you bums. Move it. Move it.
Oh, you did it. Oh, thanks a million.
Dan by the way ini gue belum bisa ngontrol sama sekali. Kita cuma bisa melihat tuh. Ininya tuh ya, desainnya tuh kayak gitu tuh. Kipasnya juga kayak gitu modelnya ya.
Good morning, my boy. How are you? Did you sleep
Ada
well?
kemiripan.
Good morning, Dr. Sechenov. I slept fine.
Ini
Waiting
siapa ini
orders.
Dr.
How do you
Sechenov?
like the new glove?
Better than the old one. It's growing on me.
I'd expect nothing less. I designed the device myself.
robotnya kayak burung
Be
unta,
careful with
cuy.
it now. It's more important than you might think.
Yes, Dr. Sechenov. I'll
Oke,
keep it
ini
safe.
kita baru dapat
Report to the
implan
lab
ini
to
ya.
complete your
Glove ini.
integration with the glove. I've got a full schedule today, so Mikhail Stockhausen will get you
Sarung
up to
tangannya
speed.
ya.
I'll be in touch later.
Roger that.
Dan by the way ini kita tuh apa ini backgroundnya kita nih? Pekerja kah? Tentara kah? Wah, orang lain gitu ya. Di dunia lain kan fantasinya robot itu menggantikan pekerja kasar gitu.
Crystal, get off
Di
my
sini
case
robot
already.
menggantikan pekerja sirkus. Ini atraksi aja robot cuy.
You dickhead.
Sampai situ. Oke, ini kita bisa keliling kotanya kah? So far so good.
Comrades,
Aman.
Icarus platform residents, and facility guests.
Ya,
The address by the Director General of Facility 3826.
oh kita ke sini. Dikirain dia lagi ngobrol sama kita.
Straight away.
Si robot burung unta. Itu mulutnya buat apaan kok kayak jarum suntik gitu?
Part of collective with a thought device, comrades. I like it.
Asik ya, tapi bagus sih ini. Environment segini tuh bagus ya, asik.
Are they getting rid of the rain clouds tomorrow, Sveta?
Oh dikirain itu kita ketemu sama si cewek itu.
Good day, comrade. Come
Good
closer.
day.
I'm here to help. Would you like a thought device? It's high time you got one.
No
Apa
thanks, I'm just
device?
browsing.
Maksudnya
Why
thought device
restrict
buat
yourself
apa?
to browsing when you can get your own personalized device this very instant? I can
Wait,
even help
what?
you pick out the right unit. It can
Something
even
personalized
match your
in
eye
Unisoviet?
color. Hey, how
Wow.
about a gooseberry violet model, huh? You are polymerized, aren't you?
I sure am. Say, I thought these devices weren't going to come online until Monday.
That's right, comrade. But judging by your uniform, you are clear to activate
Pakai
your thought neural
apaan
connector
si
right
orang
away.
ini?
At the
Itu
moment,
apaan
the
ini
device
kepalanya?
functions as a personal telephone set and headlight, but it also allows the user to get used to wearing it on their head.
Oh,
It's free, right?
bisa jadi telepon.
Absolutely. Allow me to connect you.
What? Alright, coba.
All right then.
Selama free, kenapa tidak? Tempelin di jidat kita dong. What the heck?
Oh, that's odd. I can't seem to access your biometric data. Maybe there's some sort of
Nggak bisa dipakai katanya, nggak bisa
I'm so
dibaca
sorry.
data
Don't
biometrik
sweat it.
kita.
I'm not really a jewelry guy anyway. So long.
I do apologize. Have a great day.
Hey,
Yeah.
you, experimental glove. I get the feeling you'll be more useful than this goofy contraption on my forehead, since you're so special and all.
Iya,
You'll
kalau
see how
kita ada
special I am
contraption.
soon enough. But you ought to refer to me as Charles, the chatting artificial librarian and educational system.
I'll call you whatever I feel like,
Come on, let's see the
glove.
picture.
Come on.
Can you show us the photograph?
I think I blinked. Let's see.
What?
Ah, no, I blinked.
Did you really have to make that?
Oh.
But this time, make sure the atoms.
Coba kita lihat. Ini fotoan.
Let's just take the picture the way we are.
Say cheese. Get ready for your group photo, comrades.
Come on, guys. Don't be shy. There's room.
Can we get the atom in the picture
And the
too?
statue as well.
Everything up to
Okay.
there should be in the picture. It'll look great.
Here's an idea. I'm a lady from the future, and you're my soldiers.
Man,
Yeah, like this.
Say cheese.
Oke.
Let's take another one. Any ideas?
yeah. You and Anatoly stand like the worker and the co-host woman.
And you?
I'll be the cosmonaut, so keep still.
Say cheese.
Can I
Kok
move?
nggak ada responnya?
Come on, let's see the picture.
Come on, come
Ya,
on.
lihat. Aku juga mau lihat, aku melihat. Aku masuk nggak?
Let's see.
Wah, aku invisible. Oke ya, artinya tidak reaktif kepada kita
You see
ya.
those flying owl robots yet? They're so cute. I wonder how they hovered.
Tidak reaktif ya NPC-nya dengan interupsi yang kita lakukan.
Jamba Jamba, Kitty Pampa. Visitors of the Icarus
Dan bisa dibilang aset-asetnya hampir mirip itu aja ya. Tidak terlalu banyak variasi. Oke deh.
Assemble near the Brown Plate Memorial for a tour. Learn about the history of Facility 3826. Hear about its great discoveries and pay your respects to all the
Lurus,
victims of war.
gak ngikutin ya. Oke.
Everyone here seems so happy and content. Just like in China.
You've been to China, Comrade Major?
I've been everywhere. I mean,
That
everywhere
robot is
except
known
for
as a
China,
Beliash.
I guess.
Facility 3826 isn't all that far from our Chinese allies.
I like their
Ask any
spirit.
questions, it'll fry your
And
face.
Oh,
How
I hear it's nice
rude.
there.
Indeed it is.
Plus, robots
kayaknya
can
mereka
fight
belum
anybody. It's against their
apa
programming
China di dunia ini tidak
Yeah, I know that.
di dunia Atomic Heart tidak seperti China sekarang nih. Karena disebutnya itu China nya nggak semaju di sini kan katanya.
You fought in the war, Comrade Major. Did you just remember something?
No, I can't remember shit. I've been drawing a blank ever since I got injured. It's like there's something stuck in my head, but
Pas
can't
Shira
figure
ini
out
kita
what it
langsung
is.
lupa ingatan kayaknya nih.
crispy critters, man.
Itu momentum.
Fuck.
Watch your language, Major. We're in a public place.
Yeah, whatever.
My friends.
Coba. 1936. Comrade Shevchenov developed the polymer, a scientific molecule that determined the future course of human civilization in the Soviet Union and abroad. Terus ini ada pivotal moment 1937 ya. Science of Technology. Question of Research. Oh, Ensemble. Ini kayaknya figur yang bikin Science Uni Soviet Maju ini si ini ya, Shevchenov ini ya. Including comrades Valivov, Zakharov. Ini NPC ngajak gelut banget. Gua lagi baca. Ya, technological advancement. Ini adalah penemuan hydrogen cell. Oh, jangan-jangan ini pakai tenaga hidrogen lagi semuanya. Tuh. They think that it's fall is inevitable. The third right. Tapi ini di Perang Dunia kan Counter Strike itu adalah ya Jerman Nazi ya. Wah, bener ini gue dibikin kesel sama NPC. Anjir, gue lagi baca, gue lagi memproses. Jadi mereka itu kayak nyebarin virus. Sampai malah bikin pandemi katanya. Dan obat-obatan yang sudah ada itu tidak efektif untuk melawan penyakit itu. Yang namanya penyakit ini disebutnya brown plague. Tapi kita nggak disebutin penyakitnya kayak gimana. Coba kita ke api ini. Oh, nggak bisa lewat ya. Ini api abadi. First Man's Space Flight April 16 1951. Ya, Yuri Gagarin ya. Yuri Gagarin, orang pertama yang terbang ke luar angkasa. Adalah orang Soviet ya, kosmonaut. Aha. Terus di sini langsung Yuri Gagarin, orang pertama yang tinggal di luar angkasa. Oh enggak, The Collective One Point. Bikin neural network aja itu udah tahun 1946 udah ada neural network, coy. Dan 43. Nah, ini ya creation daripada facility 3826 yang bakal kita kunjungin kan. A worldwide state-sponsored program in the, of industrial and economic development in launch in the Soviet Union. The pride of ya pokoknya ini jadi puncak daripada pencapaian saintifik dari Soviet Union ya, dan juga para saintisnya juga. Yang maininnya masih manual ya, maksud gue nggak ada speaker, tapi ya sudah aja, mending robot aja langsung mainin langsung itu lagunya. Oke, kita balik lagi, kita kemana nih?
The day will come when all the planets of the solar system.
Oh, ini tata surya maksudnya. Ya udahlah, Pak. Saya mau masuk.
Major Nechayev reporting for duty.
Nechayev.
Comrade Sechenov's direct
Nama
order.
karakter itu ya.
Welcome,
Nechayev.
Comrade Major. Today is a joyful occasion. The birthday of
Baru
Collective.
Profesor
Yeah,
Chapel
yeah,
yang
many
tadi
happy
nelfon
returns.
kita
Cut
kan,
to the
yang pas
chase,
awal
George,
yang
I've
pas
got
kita
places
masih
to
di
be.
perahu.
Naturally. This is the future of Soviet education. A personal project of Dr. Sechenov's Poly Education. Gone are the days when Soviet citizens had to spend years studying at educational institutions. From this moment on, just inject a special neuropolymer encoded with the education you want, a university-level natural sciences curriculum, for example, and you'll instantly become an educated member of society. Want to learn Korean or get a doctorate in nuclear physics? Or learn to play the piano? With Collective 2.0, you can.
Yeah, been there, done that. Skip the foreplay, bot.
Excuse me, of course. Your particular case definitely calls for something more efficacious. Nevertheless, you will still need an initial neuropolymer injection. Comrade Sechenov is expecting you, Agent P3. I've been informed of your imminent arrival.
Yeah.
Here, take this capsule.
Mana kapsulnya? Oh, ini. Gede apa kapsulnya? Buat diminum dan diapain? Oh, dikonekin. Dimasukin kah obatnya lewat sini kah? Atau itu transfer data?
You have just upgraded your glove with scanner functionality. Using the
Ini kita bisa
neuropolymer
scan
as a
ya.
conduit, the sensors in your glove are now directly connected to your neural system, especially your eyes, polymer retina.
Coba kayak
To
gimana?
activate the scanner, just make a special gesture. Please choose an object of interest and extend your arm toward it. The palm of your hand should be facing the object.
Coba kita scan robotnya ya.
Contract all the fingers on your hand, except for your thumb and index finger. Extend your thumb and index finger to form a right angle to activate the scanner.
Holy shit, bot. Who designed this thing? The Spanish Inquisition?
Anjir, Spanish Inquisition, goblok.
Demon, be gone.
For your information, That's a highly user-friendly gesture. It was developed by our leading expert in the field of advanced interpretive
tapi kita
avant-garde absurdist
ini kayaknya baru
Dadaism.
sampai sini. Mungkin
Whatever
bisa
that
aja
guy's
di-upgrade
been
untuk
smoking,
bisa mengetahui detail
sign me up.
info apa yang
Didn't
kita
you
scan.
say you were in a hurry just a moment ago?
Shut your trap and keep scanning, would ya? I'm getting acquainted with the new hardware.
You are now capable of seeing hidden objects. This ability could prove very useful in the future.
Betul
For
sekali.
now, please
Sangat amat
continue with your
berguna.
mission.
Oke, kita leave the lab. Lucu aja larinya. Gua kira orang, Cok. Robot semua. Robot merawat robot. Robot jenggolan manusia. Kagak ada manusia sama sekali. Udah robot semua.
Comrades, the address by the Director General of Facility 3826, Dr. Sechenov, is about to begin.
Oh, oke. Kamrat. Megah tapi ya environment-nya ya. Oke, ini videonya pakai aktor beneran kali ya? Widih, lagi parade, Cok.
The greatest event in the history of man. We find ourselves just one small step away from an amazing
Bentar, ini beneran negara mana aja?
that will profoundly change the world as we know it. No, I'm not exaggerating. Just look at how our beloved Soviet Union has been transformed in the last few decades. Thanks to my invention of neuropolymers and the process of mimetic adaptation, it has now become possible to launch
Menarik sih.
to see you're taking it easy, Comrade Major. The car is waiting. You must go to Dr. Sechenov's office for the access code. It's been left with one of his bodyguards.
Yeah, not too late.
Oke. Yuk, langsung aja kita ke Dr. Sechenov. Wah, anjing ini bagus sih, asik sih ini tempatnya.
I love
Asik
this
sih ini
place.
tempatnya.
No matter how many times I come here, it always amazes me. It's just so nice.
Bagus sih desainnya sih. Kalau secara desain tempatnya bagus sih, gua suka. Iya, ini menunjukkan apa ya? Oh, ini di lift seamless ya, liftnya ya, lucu ya. Tapi sayang nggak mau duduk. Karena kalau biasanya untuk menandain lift suka ada ceklek gitu kan. Ini enggak ya, bagus sih. Menarik. Atau karena kita teralihkan dengan iklan HP jidat ini kan. Tapi ini kita belum bisa nyoba tombol-tombol lainnya gitu ya. Buat lari gimana, buat nge-crouch kayak gimana, ini belum ada ya. Baru nge-scan doang. Tapi gua agak silau sih sama yang warna putihnya tadi tuh, isi layarnya.
Master quantum physics in a day. Memorize literary masterpieces from around the world. This all will be possible once your thought neural connector is installed right here on your temple.
Yuk, kita buka.
Talk about style. Science is power, I tell ya. The boss has a way of looking down on insurmountable obstacles.
Bentar, kenapa nge-display pesawatnya pada ke bawah gini?
Other than an electronic glove that never shuts up.
Here is your vehicle activation code, Comrade Major.
Wow,
Got it.
bisa nyuman kunci dong.
You should hurry. You don't have much time.
We could take the same elevator we took to get up here.
Thanks, Einstein. What would I ever do without you?
Oh, kemana kita? Kemana kita? Sini lagi. Oh, ini nih, balik lagi ke bawah. Gagah gitu sih robot cewek yang tadi dua.
Sorry I
si
can't
robot
meet with you in
bodyguardnya.
person, my boy. The reporters have been hounding me all day. So, what do you think of Chalamet?
You've built yourself a city of the future, boss. There's nothing else like it in the whole USSR.
I
Pokoknya
built
si
it for all
Chalamet itu jadi bos
mankind,
kita lah.
not for myself. Humanity is on the verge of great discoveries. One day we'll reach the stars. These castles in the sky will be the beginning of our journey to the farthest reaches of the universe. I'm merely helping humanity realize its own greatness.
You're a dreamer, Dr. Sechenov.
Fantasy and science go hand in hand. Most modern inventions were
Pokoknya
described
ya,
long ago
sini
in
tuh
science
untuk
fiction. Flying machines,
kurang lebih ya
space travel,
20 menitan
even
awal ini
robots.
emang
Are you
digambarkan ya
telling me
si
you got your ideas from
seberapa majunya
sci-fi
si
novels?
I got them from the
Uni
dreams of
Soviet ya berkat
mankind,
ke
P3.
Sechenov ini
Man
gitu
was
kan.
born to dream, to do great things. But unfortunately, there are those who wish to crush those dreams.
Di
And that's where
sinilah
men like you
mungkin
come in,
masalah
Sergei.
mulai muncul.
Men sworn to defend mankind and its destiny.
Need me to get rid of somebody, boss?
You're very relaxed about it, my boy. I hope it won't come to that.
Siapa yang
But
pengen
let's take it one
disingkirin?
step at a time.
Bos Sechenov.
First, you'll need a substantial glove upgrade. Report to the lab. A Tereshkova robot will meet you there and take you to the Vavilov complex. Understood?
Yes, sir. I'm getting in the car right now.
Jadi pokoknya gini, pokoknya kalau si Dr. Sechenov tadi tuh nyerita tujuan kita ini ya untuk membagikan pengetahuan kita ya untuk hidup ini kehidupan ini jadi lebih maju lah gitu pada intinya. Tapi ada seseorang yang nggak suka nih sama kita dan pengen nyingkirin gua gitu ya, dan mungkin kita dipanggil ini ya untuk menyingkirkan orang yang nggak suka sama Dr. Sechenov ini. Terus apa fungsinya, kayak kunci kalau bisa bukanya pakai listrik gitu. Convertible ya. Wait a minute.
Please secure your seatbelt. We wish you a very pleasant journey.
Drone-nya barbar ya.
Isn't there supposed to be a radio in here?
The entire Soviet Union is
Ngapain naik mobil ujung-ujungnya diangkut sama drone?
Yeah,
Hey,
get it.
kenapa nggak sekalian nyedain ini pesawat? Tapi ada satu hal yang gua bisa simpulkan ya, dari semua yang invention yang dilakukan oleh Uni Soviet game ini gitu ya, dengan kemajuan sainsnya mereka,
How about some music?
sepertinya mereka ini
That's more
tidak
like it.
mensimplifikasikan beberapa hal. Mereka lebih ingin dibikin ribet atau ya udah, kalau misalnya udah ini what it is gitu ya, kalau udah fungsinya kayak gitu ya udah gitu loh. Mereka tidak ingin membuat sesuatu hal dalam satu bentuk, tapi bisa melakukan beberapa banyak hal gitu. Itu yang gua tangkap ya. Contohnya ini, lu udah naik mobil, kenapa nggak bikin aja drone khusus yang bisa kita terbang?
Jawohl, mein Führer.
What did you just say?
I said the signal's on the fritz, but thanks anyway, Herr Stockhausen. Dr. Sechenov already filled me in.
Siapa ya Dr. Stockhausen? Ininya anak buahnya
Don't you think
Dr.
that may have
Sechenov
been a bit
juga.
too much?
Tapi yang pastinya ini kan seperti yang dibilang tadi kan, katanya ini si kota Cemona ini adalah kota yang dibangun di
Is there anyone you do have respect for?
Sure, but respect is
apa
earned.
namanya, di langit
Dr.
gitu ya.
Sechenov has mine because he saved my life on the operating table.
Yang
Everybody else needs to
lagi-lagi
earn
ini
it. Anyway,
mirip-mirip
why the hell are we
settingannya
riding a
kayak
jalopy
di
strapped to a damn robot?
apa itu namanya?
Were all the jets taken or something?
Ketiga tuh.
Riding
Bioshock yang
turbines
ketiga
is
ya.
an important tradition. It's a way to remember the days
Apa
when
sih namanya kalau
Facility
Bioshock 3 bukan
3826 was
Bioshock 3
brand
kan
new,
namanya
as we used to ride these vehicles to our very first scientific complex.
Fair enough, but why is it a
Lupa,
tradition to
anjir.
have them pulled by bumblebees? And why do we call them bumblebees when they look more like flying pigs?
Flying
Infinite,
pigs.
sorry. Ya, Bioshock
Have you
Infinite.
seen flying pigs before? How about flying cows?
Yeah, on the Condor.
Tapi
One time
memang
some
yang
genius like you
desain
forgot to
khasnya
put up
gitu
a
ya,
fence.
si
Those
baling-baling
cows
itu
only flew in one
spiral.
direction. Straight down.
I have a suggestion, Comrade Major. Why don't you worry about your mission, and I'll do the thinking for both of us?
Shut the hell up, Glove. I'm trying to listen.
To what? Is there anything here you haven't seen yet?
I've never been here before. Zip it.
What? How come?
I don't know, damn it. Now quit bugging me.
My apologies.
Tenet. 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 Ini kita bakal turun ke daratan atau ke another ini?
World of revolutionary breakthroughs and fantastic scientific achievements for the glory of the Communist
Tapi memang
Party
ya ini
and the
kebaca
Soviet
lah gitu ya.
people.
Apa yang mau mereka tunjukkan di awal itu gimana mereka mendesain dunia ini gitu loh.
Major, the drone is initiating combat maneuvers.
Initiating
What?
what? For real?
Watch out!
What am I supposed to do about it? What the?
Please do not
Anjir, diserang.
unfasten your seatbelt.
Lah, lah, lah,
The
lah, kok
vehicle is
diserang
come
ini?
to a complete stop. You have reached your destination. You are now at Laboratory 8 of the Vavilov facility.
What the heck?
Take my hand, Comrade Major. I will escort you to the Vavilov complex.
What in the
Ada apa
sweaty
ini?
hell is going on here?
Unfortunately, I have no information on the subject. All the robots have been carrying out their normal operations until they suddenly became hostile.
What?
Oh,
What the hell are you doing, you lousy bots? Get your rusty metal asses out of here!
that was really very rude of them.
The elevator is now operational.
Oh no, anjing.
Fuck off, bitch!
Oh shit.
Our ascent is once again continuing normally. A Drofa towing robot will be here shortly to perform magnetic coupling and take us by air to...
Son of a bitch, not again.
Dibawa kemana nih kita? Wah, mau diserang lagi nggak sih?
Oh, help me, Comrade Major. I'm falling.
What the shit? Fuck.
What the fuck? That's shocking. Wow. What an intro, guys. What an intro. Jadi, kita mendarat ke bumi, ke fasilitas 3286, dan disitulah semua kekacauan terjadi. Nih, Charlie nih. Hah? Ini kita lagi diresusitasi pakai glove kita. Auto resuscitation kah? Di shock. What the heck? Ini ada apaan?
Oh, shit, my head's killing me. Ugh.
Udah kacau balau. Itu yang kuning bus pegawai atau bus sekolah? Atau bus umum? Gitu ya. Bisa magnetit ya.
Wizard, this is P3. Come in.
Sergei, are you all right, my boy?
I'm okay, boss. But nothing here is the way it's supposed to be. Whatever's going on clearly started a while ago.
Victor Petrov is the reason. He's a traitor who hacked into Collective's central hub and caused the civilian robots to attack facility employees. Petrov has the access codes for the hub. Your mission is to find him and bring him to me alive.
Biar kayak kita nyari Petrov ya, yang jadi yang lagi ini masalah.
My mission is to find him and bring him to you.
Exactly. Sechenov.
Bentar nih, robot nih ngapain nih anjing? Wait. Goblok. Enggak langsung di-equip anjir. Ini kita nggak ada lari kecuali ngedash. Enggak. Haram guys, nggak boleh. Oke, crouch biasa. Tapi ini nggak ada lari kecuali dash.
Holy shit.
Apaan itu?
Hey, Glove.
Yes, Major.
Any details on the target?
Victor Petrov is the lead engineer
Wah,
behind
yang bahaya itu nanti
Collective 2.0.
tiba-tiba diserang.
He was arrested for
Nanti
treason
di
and
atas,
sentenced to
apa kalau
community
yang di
service
atas
at
tuh.
the Vavilov complex.
Got it. I can deal with that. Where should I start looking?
Petrov is currently somewhere in the underground levels of the Vavilov complex. We'll have to find a way inside.
Okay, let's do it. Hey, you! I'm coming. You alive in there?
Coba kita lihat ada orang nih. Wah, goblok robot. Bahkan nggak sih?
Shit! Get away from me!
No. Ow.
Go fuck yourself! Get the fuck off me!
Siapa itu? Wah! Babushka!
What are you gawking at? Almost choked to death there. Give me a hand.
I didn't see that coming.
You should be more careful. This place is a damn madhouse.
Yeah, I noticed.
Yeah,
Thanks for the
I
help,
No
ma'am.
sweat, Sonny.
Wah, Babushka barbar.
What are you doing here anyway?
Oh,
Gila.
just passing through. Who are you?
Me? Xena. Granny Xena. That's all you need to know.
Babushka.
Fine, I get it. So what's going on here? Lots of casualties.
Banyak korban
I
kan?
don't know if you noticed, but the robots are attacking people. Anyone who couldn't find a place to hide is dead meat.
Oh,
I could
udah
really use a
dibunuhin tuh
weapon.
orang-orang.
You got anything?
Ada senjata nggak, Babushka?
Of course. But I'm not giving you shit. Beneath us is a complex. If you need a weapon, go down there.
The Vavilov complex?
Vavilov
That's where I'm
complex.
headed.
Ah, well, today's your lucky day. I'm heading that way too. It's basically safe.
Okay.
Shit! It's a Pshila!
Son of a bitch. We've got 30 seconds. Move your ass!
30 seconds until what?
30 seconds until we're fucked, sonny boy. Royally fucked.
Oh.
No good. Get over here, beefcake. Now. Take this key and turn it clockwise. I said clockwise, idiot. Yeah, like that. I'll hold them off for now.
You got a hell of an arsenal there, lady.
Waduh,
What are you planning?
Here we go.
Babushka aja gokil.
You've been riding my ass for 2 days now. Take that. Eat shit and die. Shit. Come to Granny.
Where'd you get that thing?
No
Give it to
way.
me.
You hang on to that key. I
Oke,
got
kita
this.
tahan. Anjir, come on, Babushka. Woo. Alah. Ya. Malah ngundang yang ginian anjir. Ah, oh ini teh lift. Tadi kebanyakan cutscene gak sih ini sejam pertama nih? Sayang sekali. Granny! Oh si Granny gak masuk ya? Anjing malah ngudut dulu. Keluar dulu baru mau ngudut mah boleh anjir.
What a goddamn clusterfuck.
Udah emang ngerokoknya salah lagi kebalik si bego. Kok ribet gini sih?
We need to find a way to open this armored door.
Gee, you think? Enough with the lame advice, will ya? Why don't you tell me more about Petrov? How'd they track him down anyway?
Petrov's betrayal was discovered by Mikhail Stockhausen. He was then arrested by the Argentum unit.
So how'd he end up here?
After the trial, Petrov was sentenced to community service and sent back here as a prisoner.
What, they couldn't find anyone else in the whole Soviet Union to do his job?
Collective's launch was only a few months away. Replacing the lead engineer would have been foolish. Petrov had to finish what he'd started, and that's what they made him do.
What's so special about the guy?
Victor Petrov was previously the lead engineer of a secret department within the Academy of Consequences, dedicated to programming robots for Collective 2.0.
Right.
Oh, Petrov tuh dulunya kerja di sini tapi ada kesalahan dia dihukum dan dia juga bertanggung jawab untuk itu program yang neural network 2.0. Ya, sebentar. Susah. Tahu harus nyari dulu handle-nya. Wah. No. Wah. Tarik. Nyangkut nggak sih? Oh beda. Oke, save menunya manual. Ada chest. Dapat ini.
And the machines rose from... ashes.
May I give you some advice?
I'm kind of busy right now.
Try to avoid the robot's more powerful attacks.
They're all powerful.
Attacks performed by a robot during a power surge are especially dangerous and may knock you down.
On a Shingo, why didn't you tell me that before?
Habis.
At this rate, I won't last long. That first part really kicked my ass.
Destroyed robots contain a neuropolymer resuscitation drug called Neuromed. Extract the Neuromed capsule and use it to heal yourself.
Neuromed, oke. Oh ini buat nge-crates ya. Ini buat ini apa? Bikin-bikin.
It wouldn't hurt to collect other resources you find along the way, Major.
Bisa di.
May I remind you that your gear includes a special Yarov Abalakov backpack for storing items and equipment. It utilizes a quantum singularity to shrink items placed within it, then restores them to their original size upon extraction.
Yeah, weird science, huh? It's like we're living in sci-fi times or something.
Ya, bukan iya.
Hey, Glove.
My name is Charles, Comrade Major.
Whatever. Hey, how'd this Petrov guy manage to hack Collective?
The traitor wasn't working alone. He was conspiring with several others.
Several, huh? So where are they?
They have already been eliminated. But it will be impossible to get to Petrov without your assistance. That's why you're here.
Oke, baik.
Sneak up on the robot and perform a stealth attack. I'll use the opportunity to permanently disable it.
Oke. Kita bisa sneak up attack. Oh, di tap. Anjir. Susah. Oh, di tap, anjay. Oh shit, sorry. I don't mean that.
Have a seat, Mikhail. I just need to finish my work and then I'll help you with that report. Lab Tech 84, bring Comrade Koltsov some tea. I'll be with you in a second, okay?
Wow, sakit. Hampir. Putar. Wow. Oh, sakit bangsat Kayak X ya. Agak ribet ya. Oh, udah mau sembunyi tadi juga. Nggak dikasih.
And the machines rose from the ashes.
Oh, apa ya? Makan lagi. Oh, bisa otak anjir.
May I give you some advice?
I'm kind of busy right now.
Try to avoid the robot's more powerful attacks.
They're all powerful.
Attacks performed by a robot during a power surge are especially dangerous and may knock you down.
Shit on a shingle. Why didn't you tell me that before?
It wouldn't hurt to...
Granny Zina. Tara juga nggak sih bagian dari facility ini juga bukan sih Granny Zina?
Like other resources you find along the way, Major. May I remind you that your gear includes a special Yarov Abalakov backpack for storing items and equipment. It utilizes a quantum singularity to shrink items placed. Sneak up on the robot and perform a stealth attack. I'll use the opportunity to permanently disable it.
Coba.
Have a seat, Mikhail. I just need to finish my work, and then I'll help you with that report. Lab Tech 84, bring Comrade Koltsov some tea. I'll be with you in a second. Okay?
Tapi ya kalau secara overall ini tuh ya apa ya, entah kenapa gue merasa ini kayak yang ringan banget gitu gininya tuh. Enggak berat.
Hey, Glove.
My name is Charles.
Kenapa ini tuh terlalu hampang gitu. Ini terlalu ringan.
Hey, how'd this Petrov guy manage to hack Collective?
The traitor wasn't working alone. He was conspiring with several others.
Several, huh? So where are they?
They have already been eliminated. But it will be impossible to get to Petrov without your assistance. That's why you're here.
Weh, ketahuan anjir. Sakit. Enak aja lo drop kick gue ya. Weh, enak aja. Ayo sini lo. Wah, sakit. Iya. Wah, cik. Enak aja lo. Tebal ya. Oh, audio ini dari yang
As
ini.
a Soviet scientist, I've always considered myself an atheist. But right now, there's only one thing I can say. May God have mercy on our souls. We blocked the magnetic door to the cable car tunnel, but I don't know how long we can keep the robots inside the complex. Hey, Ivan, is it me? Or did that bush just move? Ivan! Ivan!
Ya. Enak aja lo. Beraninya sama gua. Ntar kita explore dulu guys.
To my shame and chagrin, have seen humanity at its absolute.
Okay.
So you're telling me a handful of traitors somehow managed to hack into Collective, a network created by the best minds in the Soviet Union?
Technically speaking, Collective has not been hacked. No one could possibly circumvent the algorithms created by Professor Lebedev's team at the Academy of Consequences.
Then why is all this crazy shit going
Dia
down?
kenapa ini
The
jadi begini
traitors
kayak gini?
introduced a false combat mode into one of Collective's algorithms that causes the central hub to see all humans as invading soldiers.
And our scientists really can't fix it without Petrov.
They can, but it will take some time, during which many more people will die, and information
Oke,
about the
pokoknya itu
incident will
ada
make its way
false
outside the
combat
facility.
protocol yang jadi bikin si robot-robot ini nyerang katanya.
Damn it, why is everything locked here?
Emergency mode was activated as soon as the robots began attacking humans. Facility 3826 is on lockdown. That includes the inner sector.
So how am I supposed to open this door?
It's locked with an electromagnetic lock.
So I need to fry it with an electromagnetic pulse. How the hell am I gonna do that?
Your glove can be equipped with an EMP-generating shock module. A capsule containing the neuropolymer required to install the shock module should be somewhere on facility grounds.
Okay, I'll deal with it.
Tahu gitu mah. Ujung-ujungnya juga ke sini.
Something's wrong. Oh shit!
Ini yang tentakel tadi nggak sih yang keluar yang gede itu loh, yang hampir ke Sky City-nya nggak sih? Ya, jatuh nih. Ow! Sakit.
Come on, get up, soldier. Great, just a little more. You okay?
I'm fine.
How many fingers?
Akhirnya ketemu
Great, now get
manusia
up. I
lain
need your
juga.
help.
Ya, ada yang sakarat.
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound. They tried to save you.
And who are you?
Doctor.
You got a name?
No time for small talk.
God damn.
Forceps. Forceps.
I'm on it.
Get me them.
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
You got a neuropolymer capsule.
We don't need one.
So what's your name, Doc?
Larissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You got this.
Where are you going? It's useless. We don't have the equipment.
I've got the equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions.
Oh shit.
Get out! Larissa!
Wah! Wah, anjir.
Holy shit! Avoid the beam!
Belum apa-apa udah lolos lagi. Oh, sakit. Oh. Makan anjing. Sekali lagi. Makan anjir.
Terminated. Charles, where does the shaft Larissa crawled into go?
It's hard to say. The ventilation system contains a large number of branches.
What's that freaky thing on the door?
A lock.
Are you serious? Then open it already. Come on, we're in a hurry.
I'm unable to assist you. I lack any kind of lock-picking functionality. You'll have to find your own method for picking locks. I'm sure you're smart enough.
Yeah, right. In other words, you're basically useless, as always.
Try snapping your fingers at the exact moment.
It worked.
Gak usah dijelasin. Oh shit.
A lullaby? I don't like this. Charles, what's on the other side of the door?
That's Nora's voice. She's very dangerous.
Siapa Nora? Ya, jadi itulah kurang lebih 1 jam pertama ya gua dalam memainkan game Atomic Heart, yang bisa dibilang secara overall ini merupakan game yang sangat bagus gitu ya, walaupun memang ada kurang gitu ya di berbagai hal, walaupun kekurangan tersebut pun bisa dibilang sangat-sangatlah minim gitu ya. Dimana kita pun sudah bisa menyaksikan ya, bagaimana game Atomic Heart ini pun menunjukkan dunia futuristik ala Uni Soviet, yang gua rasa ini pun dieksekusi dengan sangat bagus ya oleh Manfield, karena gua cukup terkesima ya dengan bagaimana desain dunia daripada Atomic Heart ini sendiri gitu ya. Dan meski begitu gitu ya, memang ada beberapa kekurangan terutama dari NPC-nya yang menggunakan aset yang itu aja ya dari modelnya ya, apalagi yang khususnya untuk yang model manusianya gitu, yang gua rasa ya terlalu banyak orang yang sama gitu ya. Di setiap beberapa langkah kita lihat lagi orang yang sama, yang gua berasa ini Atomic Heart ini hanya membuat desain daripada NPC untuk yang tipe manusianya ya, untuk yang human itu hanya ya 5 gitu ya untuk pada saat awal game ini gitu ya. Meski begitu ya, untuk desain daripada musuh-musuh kita yang sejauh ini adalah merupakan robot, ini cukup menarik gitu ya, dan juga cukup unik desainnya. Dan untuk daripada segi gameplaynya gitu ya, dan juga bagaimana UI daripada gamenya, ini pun mengingatkan gua gitu ya dari beberapa game FPS lainnya ataupun RPG lainnya yang sudah kita kenal sebelumnya gitu ya. Yang pertama itu adalah bagaimana dari desainnya terlebih dahulu, dimana desain ini pun sangat mengingatkan gua dengan game yang bernama Wolfenstein ya, keluaran Bethesda, dimana Wolfenstein itu sendiri pun merupakan game FPS yang juga bersetting di dunia alternatif, dimana pada kala untuk Wolfenstein itu sendiri bersetting pada dunia jika Jerman Nazi itu menjadi pihak yang menang dari Perang Dunia Kedua dan mereka menjadi negara yang berkuasa di dunia gitu ya. Dan hal yang serupa gitu ya, penyuguhan dunia alternatif ini pun disuguhkan oleh game daripada Atomic Heart ini sendiri gitu ya. Dan selain itu ada nuansa misteri yang juga kita pernah rasakan dari game BioShock, ini pun kita rasakan di game Atomic Heart ini sendiri. Dan selain itu kita pun juga melihat bagaimana UI ya, atau sistem menu yang bisa dibilang cukup kartunis, ini pun mengingatkan kita akan game series daripada Fallout ya, terutama dari Fallout keempat hingga yang ke-7, 6 ini sendiri, yang memang mereka menunjukkan video tutorialnya ataupun menunjukkan untuk demonstrasi skill itu menggunakan presentasi yang dengan cara kartun gitu ya. Dan sehingga bisa gua simpulkan memang cukup cerdik juga gitu ya daripada developer Manfield ini gitu, untuk mengambil elemen-elemen yang menarik dari game FPS yang sudah populer untuk mereka satukan dalam game ini, yang gua rasa itu eksekusinya cukup berhasil ya, walaupun memang gua rasa ada beberapa hal yang menjadi kekurangan ya. Di antara lain yang gua paling rasakan untuk 1 jam pertama itu adalah terlalu panjang daripada narasinya, dan gua merasa sekali lagi memang gua sudah sebutkan juga ya di video gameplay sebelumnya, bahwa gua merasa memainkan game ini pun untuk 1 jam pertama porsinya itu lebih banyak untuk narasinya ya, untuk pengenalan bagaimana dunianya, siapa saja sosok-sosok yang penting untuk terjadinya dunia futuristik ala Uni Soviet ini ya, yang ditunjukkan ke sosok Dr. Sechenov ini gitu ya, dan juga hasil mahakarya daripada Dr. Sechenov ini gitu ya. Dan sedangkan action ini pun baru gua rasakan gitu ya di pertengahan akhir daripada 1 jam pertama gua tunjukkan untuk gameplaynya. Walaupun begitu dari segi gameplay ini pun sudah menunjukkan rasa misteri ala Bioshock ya. Dan juga meski begitu gua merasa apa ya, temponya itu agak kurang greget gitu ya untuk game FPS yang gua rasa ini cukup lambat ya. Bahkan ini game gua rasa temponya masih agak lambat dibandingkan Bioshock ya, sehingga untuk sejauh ini gua kurang mendapatkan intensitas yang gua harapkan dari sebuah game FPS gitu, yang gua rasakan. Tapi balik lagi, ini kembali ke selera kalian masing-masing. Jadi menurut kalian apakah ini worth it untuk kalian mainkan via Steam ya dengan harga 509.000, atau mungkin kalian bisa coba melalui Game Pass untuk melihat berapa menarik game atau menarik ini. So, kalian bisa isi di kolom komentar. Dan itu saja mungkin ya untuk video Ringside First Play untuk game daripada Atomic Heart. Gua Reza sebagai host kalian izin pamit ya guys ya. See you in the next video. Bye bye.